One day, a young man went to a wise old man and asked a question. Grandfather, I have a big problem. Most people are naturally good and kind. They love to help. But why is it that when people get money and become rich, they stop thinking about others? Why do they become so selfish? The old man didn't answer right away. Instead, he took the young man to a window. Look out of this window, he said. Tell me, what do you see? The young man looked out and said, I see people walking on the street. I see a mother holding her child, and I see a beggar sitting by the road. Then the old man led him to a large mirror. Now look at this, he said. What do you see now? The young man replied, Now I only see myself. The old man smiled and said, Do you see the difference? The window is made of glass. The mirror is also made of glass. But when they make a mirror, they cover the back of the glass with a coating of silver. When you look through plain glass, you can see other people. But once silver is added to that glass, you stop seeing others. You only see yourself. He continued. The silver is on that glass is just like the money and wealth we get in life. Money itself isn't a bad thing. But if that money covers up your humanity, then it becomes a huge problem. The young man finally understood. When many people get money, it acts like the silver on a mirror. They stop seeing the pain of those around them. They start living their lives looking only at their own comfort, just like someone staring into a mirror. That is why people tend to think only of themselves as they get richer. So remember this, no matter how rich you become, from time to time, you must look past that silver coating. Look through the plain glass at the world again. If you do, you will see that there are still many helpless people around us who need our support. Don't settle for only seeing yourself. Train yourself to see others too.